Hello my friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's study together. My goal in this channel is to help you to learn and study English well. I will help you to learn it step by step, and we will do lots of practice and many exercises in order to check your understanding. Our today's lesson is very important lesson in English grammar, as we use it a lot. I will help you to learn it and how to use was and where in past tense. Are you ready? Let's get started. We are going to start with the singular pronouns I, he, she, and it. With all these pronouns, we use was plus complement, and all of them they are singular pronouns. Alright, now let's move to the plural pronouns. We, you, they. We use with where plus complement, and they are plural pronouns. Now we will have certain time expressions. We use them in past tense. Let's see together. These expressions are used in past tense, such as yesterday, last night, last week, last month, last year, 2 hours, 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months ago, in April, in year 2005, in the past. Okay, now let's see what else do we have got. We have some examples. Let's read them together. I was happy yesterday. I was in the past tense. Tom was late yesterday. Mary was tired last night. I'm speaking about something happened in the past. It was very hot last week. This is the house I was born in. This time last year we were in London. They were my friends at school. You were very nice to me. Okay? Alright, now let's see what else we have got. Now it's time to practice together. Let's read the first sentence together, and who can tell me the correct answer? Let's read the first sentence. John space born in 1994 was where is. Who can tell me the correct answer? He what? Who can tell me the correct answer? He was. Excellent. Super guys. Let's move to the next sentence. I space tired last week and where was. Notice that I space tired last week. Something happened in the past. I am, or I were, or I was tired. Which one of them is right? Yeah, it's was. Very good. Now, let's move to the next sentence. They space my friends at school 3 years ago. Which one of them is right? Are, where, was. Who can tell me the correct answer? They were. Excellent, super guys, very good. The weather space very cold yesterday. Was, where, is. Yeah, what is the correct answer? Was. Very good. My friends space in London in 1997 are, was, where. My friends, who can tell the correct answer? Yay, my friends were. Excellent. She space angry when I crashed her car. Is, was, are. What is the correct answer? Who can tell me? Yeah, she was. Very good, super guys. Now we have finished our today's lesson. I hope you have enjoyed and understood it. So, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to receive all our video lesson updates. Have an amazing day. Thank you.